Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Maggi, easy method. Boil 2 cups of water, add the Maggi masala and crushed garlic, then stir in shredded cooked chicken and simmer for 3 minutes until flavors meld. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and chopped coriander, then serve hot with a side salad or steamed vegetables. I'll guide you step by step so you get a comforting, quick meal every time. Gather your ingredients and set them within reach so cooking stays smooth and relaxed. Heat a teaspoon of oil, sauté a crushed garlic clove until fragrant, then pour 2 cups of water into the pan. Add the Maggi noodles and the seasoning packet, then fold in the shredded cooked chicken and simmer gently for 3 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and taste before serving to adjust seasoning. Start by sautéing 1 crushed garlic clove in a teaspoon of oil until it becomes aromatic but not brown. Pour in 2 cups of water and bring to a rolling boil before adding the Maggi noodles and seasoning. Stir in 1 cup of shredded cooked chicken, then simmer for 3 minutes so flavors meld. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of coriander, and serve immediately for best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.